Odour Detection System using MSP430 LunchBox. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Konark Sharma. In this lecture, we will learn about the basic overview of Odour Detection System using MSP430 LunchBox from Avinash Mishra. Upon completion of this lecture, learners will be able to understand the basic overview of Odour Detection System using MSP430 LunchBox. So, let's get it started.
Hello, my name is Avinash Mishra, roll number 2023 PEV 3204, and my project is on sewage monitoring system. In this project, we basically use MQ4 sensor to detect gases, and then by detecting gases, it start buzzer to beep so that we know that the gas is above threshold frequency. For this we demonstrate by this project, by this MSP. We simply put some gases alongside of MSP so that we start buzzer. So you see that buzzer start beeping means it detected gases. Thank you.
Finally, we would like to cooperate with you according to the best of our knowledge. Keep your feedback and suggestions coming. They help us to provide you quality work that resonates with your needs and requirements. Thanks much for sharing your kind suggestions. Keep healthy, keep learning, and keep growing.
KONARK'S Research. Subscribe now.